Hey dog, what you doing?
Oh, hi, this is Dr. Jazzy. Welcome to Dr. Tech Labs. So instead of sitting on the chair and give you my unusual channel introduction, I thought why shouldn't I show you what I'm doing here? Let's follow me. So over the next few minutes, I'd like to show you what kind of products we are testing here and what kind of products we are comparing here. After years of working closely with a lot of Chinese companies, especially the local companies which doesn't have too much exposure to the international market, so we decided to help them and also help our viewers to show them what kind of products you can get in less of a money when the big brands are asking you too much. So that's what is the reason of opening this channel and why I decided to start it, and I can help you guys. So since my childhood, I've always been obsessed with different kind of tech. In my home, I used to own different kind of computers, laptops, even the normal gadgets. It's the speaker, by the way. Since I'm living in China, especially Guangzhou next to Shenzhen, which are the absolute epicenter of global tech, so it's easy for me to get the access of different products. Oh, see? RoboDog, RoboCop, RoboDog, only 15 bucks. Can you get this in your country? Please tell me.
Make this channel different.
Oh, nice question. Why don't you first look around? So there are a ridiculous number of Chinese tech products which are not easily accessible for normal consumers outside China, and even the normal content creators who either don't know about it, either it take a lot of time for them to even just hand on one simple of it. So I'm gonna test most of them and I'll tell you why these are good, why this one is good, and why this one is terrible. And some are really cheap. So you might be thinking there's a catch in it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do it. I'll help you out which one is good, which one you should have it, and which one why you shouldn't have it. So let me give you an example. If you're just starting to create the content and money is the problem, will you go for this, DJI? Because everybody will tell you go for DJI or Holyland. But have somebody told you go for Q81? Same like Holyland, right? How about these two? Now, the only problem is you don't know if they're good or bad. That's what I'm gonna help you. I'll review them for you and I'll tell you are they worth money or no, or just just piece of trash. My dream for this channel is all for those who just started a YouTube channel or maybe starting the content, same like me. It's my probably second video, so I'm trying my best to teach you what I have learned. I'll also be sharing some BTS videos, like behind the scene videos, how I'm making the video, what kind of softwares I'm using, and how much progress I've been doing in video and audio editing. And I'll be also sharing you some tricks and tips which I'm learning or I have learned watching videos from different content creators and what advices I have been given from different people, so that I can make a positive community of people like me who have not too much of an access of big cameras, maybe just making a video from your cell phone, as I'm making this video from my cell phone. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that we can grow up together, and maybe tomorrow you'll have your own studio like your favorite YouTuber. So bye guys, I'll see you in the next video with the product I've been using and testing it. Please subscribe this channel again.